A razor-sharp steel scalpel slices through a thick, raw, olive-green crocodile hide. A sweeping view reveals massive, spinning wooden tanning drums and workers handling hides. The master artisan meticulously tags a flawless raw hide with a laser-etched titanium tag. Workers hoist a massive, stiff crocodile hide into a towering wooden washing drum. The wooden drum rotates violently as the master artisan observes with a chemical beaker. The hide emerges from the drum, transformed into a pale, wet blue state. The wet blue hide is fed through a rapidly spinning precision skiving machine. The pale hide is lowered into the churning vat of rich emerald dye. The steel winch raises the newly dyed, rich emerald green crocodile hide from the vat. The master artisan stretches the wet emerald hide on a massive perforated steel table. The stretched hide is pushed into a glowing, amber-lit heat chamber. The master artisan drapes the highly polished hide over their arm, inspecting it. The leather is laid on a white cutting mat as the artisan aligns a pattern template. A red laser projects onto the leather as the artisan marks the center axis with an awl. The artisan uses a half-moon knife to cut the main body panel from the hide. Using a precision scalpel, the artisan cuts out smaller, curved components. The edges of the cut panels are thinned using a tabletop skiving machine. The master artisan applies a base coat of edge paint to the handle strip. The dried base coat on the handle edge is sanded perfectly smooth. The final glossy emerald top coat is applied to the edge with a heated roller. The artisan folds the leather to create the bottom corner, aligning the scales perfectly. The artisan strikes a steel pricking iron with a mallet to create stitching holes. The artisan performs the traditional saddle stitch using 2 needles and waxed thread. The artisan completes a row of stitching, checking the tension and perfection. The artisan drapes soft black lambskin over a wooden mold for the interior. The soft lambskin lining is bonded to the interior of the emerald crocodile shell. The master artisan and assistants stretch the colossal emerald hide on a massive table. The massive stretched hide is pushed into the glowing, amber-lit heat chamber. A massive agate stone on a mechanical arm aggressively glazes the giant hide. The master artisan performs a final tactile inspection of the colossal, highly polished hide. The master artisan uses a precision table saw to cut mahogany planks for the trunk. The artisan taps precision-cut dovetail joints together with a wooden mallet. A complex grid of red laser limes is projected onto the giant emerald hide. The artisan uses immense force to cut the massive trunk panels with a half-moon knife. The artisan applies structural adhesive to the mahogany trunk frame. The master artisan and an assistant carefully lower the massive leather panel onto the glued mahogany trunk lid. The artisan aggressively folds and presses the thick leather over the sharp 90-degree corners of the trunk. The artisan presses impossibly soft black lambskin into the small wooden interior compartments. The artisan uses a long sanding block to buff the blackened edge of the massive trunk. The final glossy emerald topcoat is applied to the long trunk edge with a heated roller. The artisan closes the trunk lid, revealing perfectly aligned geometric scales across the cut seam. A boutique associate carefully stuffs the interior compartments of the massive trunk with crisp tissue paper. The massive trunk is draped with an enormous, custom-made flannel dust cover. The associate wraps a massive silk ribbon around the flannel-covered trunk and ties a bow. The associate unties the ribbon and pulls the cover away, revealing the matching trunk and handbag. A detailed hero shot of the final bespoke trunk and handbag on a dark marble display. A macro shot focuses on the perfect scale alignment across the trunk's cut seam. The camera focuses tightly on the massive, solid 18K gold central lock, gleaming under the lights.